Hello, and welcome to Founder's Bluff, a town with a rich history full of witchy drama. Moth Hush is a normal 13-year-old girl who struggles with making friends and dealing with school bullies. One Halloween, after being confronted by two school bullies, Moth unexpectedly uses magic against them. Rightfully freaked out, Moth runs home to her mother, who tells her that Moth is a witch, as is she and her mother before her, and her family is at the center of the town's mysterious history. After gaining a cat familiar, Hush starts using magic against her mother's wishes, setting off a series of events which unboxes a complicated family dynamic, and Moth soon learns that the town's history was never really left in the past. With bright colors and a cartoonish art style, this book is captivating from start to finish, and readers will find that there is never a dull moment, and may even learn that sometimes you just need to follow your heart.